Hello, here we go again, back to the 1940s with the Hawker Hurricane tropical version. This is the, I think it's a Mark IIc perhaps, but doesn't really matter. Airfix kit. Didn't put the string from the aerial post, but I don't do that. It's the more heavily armed Hurricane of the day. You've got 4 cannons, which I've knocked in the past and had to bend back into place, but and there's the tropical, I don't know, it's some sort of engine modification to cope with the heat and the humidity problem. It's the main difference to this type of Hurricane. And the decals for the theatre of the Far East, you've got the light blue instead of the red dot, because I think the story goes that people got confused in the heat of battle seeing a red dot and thinking it was a Japanese aircraft and a rat-tat-tat-tat and, you know, oops-a-daisy. Probably other words than that. The decals for the white banding, they're quite thin. They're okay. I mean, I probably should have painted it instead, but as you may be able to see that there's a slight transparency to that. You can see the paint. I put it over the paint. You can see underneath. Other than that, it's a standard kit from Airfix. You can make it so the propeller goes around. Always fun. And the exhaust are separate items, which is always a sign of a good kit. And if you can paint the slot it goes into black, and it gives an impression of something behind the exhaust stacks. Grey on the side. Again, be careful applying the decals, because they're quite thin, but because they're thin you can show the panels that they go over, which is good. I've tried to do a little bit of weathering, a bit of dirt coming off the wheels and in the side, and I've also done a bit of smoke effect on the side of the fuselage. But yeah, that's pretty much as you see it. Just check where it's still in frame. Yeah, still in frame. I can't think what else to say about it really. Yeah, Hawker Hurricane tropical version, and the only one I've built so far. Of course, some other kits of the Hawker Hurricane, but this is the first one I built because it's unusual to have the blue and blue ground rules. Alright, there we go.